You are supposed to be on this. So we do the group photo first. Yes. Where's Felix? There we are.
Migori County kwanza.
I need the Honorable Masara next to me. Is that the best time?
Handshake.
We can flank you now.
Yes. Thank you, Your Excellency. So, are you ready? We have a brief statement to make. You okay? Okay. So, this is the Central Committee of the Orange Democratic Movement Party, which has had a meeting with its elected leaders from Migori County and Kisii County to get a brief following recent worrying incidents in the two counties. In attendance from Migori was the governor. You can see His Excellency Ochillo Ayacko is here, the woman representative, Honorable Fatuma Full Network. Senator Eddie Okech is here with us, the MP for Suna West, the Honorable Masara, the MP Suna East, Honorable Junet Mohammed. And from Kisii County, we have, yes, and we also have members of the County Assembly from Migori as well. From Kisii